first of all, you will simply search Codeforces. You will see the Codeforces website. You have to click on Codeforces. Then after that, you will see this screen. So you have to simply click on the register button on the top right corner. After this, you will see this screen. Here you can simply make handle by doing this handle email and password and confirm password. Or there is an alternative method, use Gmail. So I would prefer this use Gmail method and use the email. So after that, you have to simply create a password and confirm password and then click on the register button simply. So after doing this, you will be send an email to your respective email ID where you have to click it for the further procedure. So simply I will go on my email address and click on this confirm your email, this link simply. So after clicking this, your ID will be created simply. You can see here my ID is been created. So this is the simple process to create an ID on Codeforces. Now we will simply learn how to create a team to participate in the AlgoOlympics. So for this, you have to simply click on the teams. And after that, you have to click on the create new team. After that, will simply keep any name. For now, I'm keeping the team name as test 0 simply and click on the create team. After creating the team, you have to simply send the request to your team member and make sure your team has only maximum three IDs. More than three IDs can make you disqualified in the Algo Olympics event. So maximum is limit is three and minimum is one simply. So now I will show you how to send a request for now I am sending request to this ID. That's it. Here if the user accepted, here you it will be show active or accepted simply. I'll show you further. Then again you can invite another user. So for now I am simply inviting only two users. Now here you can see I have got a request from the team. I have sent the request. You have to simply click on this your invitation and accept simply. Now you can see simply the team has been created and after accepting from the request from the other user ID, you can see here the current members are this main ID who has created the team and the other member ID simply. So this is the procedure to create your team